Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best hair trimmers in 2024. These are the latest and most advanced models that can give you a perfect haircut every time. But before we start, make sure you share to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. And stay tuned till the end, because I have a special surprise for you. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5, the Andis Slimline Pro Li Cordless T-Blade Trimmer with a bow-wisp blade brush. This is a professional-grade trimmer that can create crisp outlines and designs on your hair and beard. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I'm really impressed by its performance and features. Let me tell you why. Design and ergonomics. The first thing that I noticed about this trimmer is its sleek and ergonomic design. It has a metallic body that feels sturdy and comfortable in the hand. It also has a T-blade that can be zero-gapped for a close and precise cut. The trimmer is cordless and comes with a charger stand, a tube of blade oil, and 4 attachment combs of different sizes. It also includes a bow-wisp blade brush that can help you clean and maintain the blade, battery, and motor. The second thing that I liked about this trimmer is its battery and motor. It has a lithium-ion battery that can run up to 2 hours on a full charge. That's more than enough for multiple sessions. It also has a powerful high-speed motor that runs quiet and cool. It can handle any hair type and texture without pulling or snagging. Performance and results. The third thing that I loved about this trimmer is its performance and results. It can create crisp and clean lines and edges on your hair and beard. It can also create intricate designs and patterns with ease. It glides smoothly over the skin and doesn't cause any irritation or bumps. It gives you a professional quality finish that looks sharp and stylish. Pros and cons. The fourth thing that I want to share with you is the pros and cons of this trimmer. Here are some of the pros. It has a long-lasting battery and a powerful motor. It has a sleek and ergonomic design and a T-blade that can be zero-gapped. It can create crisp and precise lines and designs on your hair and beard. It comes with a charger stand, a tube of blade oil, 4 attachment combs, and a bow-wisp blade brush. Here are some of the cons. It is a bit pricey compared to other trimmers. It is not waterproof and cannot be used in the shower. It may require frequent oiling and cleaning to keep the blade in good condition. Conclusion and rating. The fifth and final thing that I want to tell you is my conclusion and rating of this trimmer. I think this is a great trimmer for anyone who wants to create professional-looking outlines and designs on their hair and beard. It has a lot of features and benefits that make it worth the investment. I would give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. That's it for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Number 4, the Wahl Edge Pro Bump-Free Corded Beard Trimmer for Men Touch-Up Trimmer Grooming Detailer Kit. This is a corded trimmer that can give you a smooth and bump-free shave on your beard, mustache, hair, and stubble. I've been using it for a while and I'm very happy with it. Let me show you why. Edging. The first thing that I like about this trimmer is its edging capability. It has 0 overlap blades that are 0.2 millimeters thin and leave a crisp ash line for excellent line definition. It has the power of a full-size clipper in an easy-to-hold compact trimmer unit. It can create sharp and clean edges on your beard and hairline with ease. Bump-free dry trimming. The second thing that I appreciate about this trimmer is its bump-free dry trimming feature. It has a precision ground T-blade that provides a super close, clean shave without causing razor bumps. It has a high-torque rotary motor and precision machines drive components that allow for professional quality shaving at home. It can trim your beard and stubble without irritating your skin. 8 individual blade guards. The third thing that I enjoy about this trimmer is its 8 individual blade guards. It comes with 8 guide combs that range from short, 1/16, to long, 1/2. You can choose the cutting length that suits your style and preference. It can also cut and trim your hair with different lengths and styles. Durable Wahl blades. The fourth thing that I admire about this trimmer is its durable Wahl blades. It has high carbon precision ground blades that are durable and stay sharp longer than other blades. It can provide smooth hair clipping, beard trimming, beard and neckline detailing, and total body grooming. It can handle any hair type and texture with ease. The brand used by professionals. The fifth and last thing that I respect about this trimmer is its brand reputation. Wall clippers and trimmers have been used by professionals in the salon and the barber industry since 1919. They have self-sharpening precision blades that deliver a smooth shave. They are trusted and reliable products that you can count on. Conclusion and rating. To sum up, I think this is a great trimmer for anyone who wants a smooth and bump-free shave on their beard, mustache, hair, and stubble. It has a lot of features and benefits that make it worth buying. I would give it a 4.7 out of 5 stars. That's it for today's review. I hope you liked it and found it useful. Number 3. The BaBylissPro Professional Cordless Clippers and Trimmers, a set of tools that are designed for precision cutting and styling. I'll also show you how I use them to create different looks. So let's get started. Introduction. The BaBylissPro Professional Cordless Clippers and Trimmers are a pair of high-performance tools that are ideal for barbers, stylists, and anyone who wants to achieve professional results at home. They have a lot of features that make them stand out from other clippers and trimmers, such as features: a powerful rotary motor that delivers fast and smooth cutting, a lithium-ion battery that provides up to 2 hours of cordless runtime, a 5-position adjustable taper control that allows you to customize the length and the fade, a stainless steel blade that is durable and easy to clean, a dual voltage switch that lets you use them anywhere in the world, a ergonomic design that is comfortable and lightweight, a set of 8 comb attachments that range from 1/16 to 1. Performance. I've been using these clippers and trimmers for a while now and I'm very happy with their performance. They cut through hair effortlessly and precisely, without pulling or snagging. They're also very easy to use and adjust, thanks to the taper control and the comb attachments. The battery life is impressive. I can use them for multiple sessions without recharging. And the best part is, they're very quiet and compact, so they don. Usage. One of the things that I love about these clippers and trimmers is that they're very versatile and can create different styles. For example, I can use the clippers to create a classic fade, a modern undercut, or a textured crop. I can also use the trimmers to outline, detail, and finish the look. The trimmers are also great for trimming the beard, the mustache, and the eyebrows. They're very precise and gentle on the skin. Conclusion. Overall, I think the BaBylissPro Professional Cordless Clippers and Trimmers are a great set of tools for anyone who wants to achieve professional quality cuts and styles. They have a lot of features that make them stand out from other clippers and trimmers, and they're also very easy to use and maintain. I highly recommend them to anyone who is looking for a pair of clippers and trimmers that are powerful, cordless, and versatile. Number 2. The Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Magic Clip number 8148, a cordless clipper that claims to deliver the sharp performance that experts demand. I'll also show you the bonus neck duster that comes with it. So let's get started. Introduction. The Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Magic Clip number 8148 is a clipper from Wahl's commercial grade line of products, which means it's intended for professional use only. It comes in a stylish burgundy color and has a sleek design. It also has a lot of features that make it stand out from other clippers, such as features: high precision zero overlap 2161 blades that offer superior speed and ease of use, a convenient taper lever for easy fading and blending, a lithium-ion battery for a 90-minute runtime per charge, cordless cutting capability, so you can use it with or without the cord. Wahl Professional Premium Black Cutting Guides with secure fitting durable metal clips in sizes #1/2, number 1, number 1 1/2, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 6, and number 8. Performance. I've been using this clipper for a few weeks now and I have to say I'm very impressed with its performance. It cuts through hair smoothly and evenly, without pulling or snagging. It's also very easy to adjust the length and the fade with the taper lever. The battery life is amazing. I can use it for several sessions without recharging. And the best part is, it's very quiet and lightweight, so it doesn't strain my hand or my ears. Bonus. Another thing that I really like about this clipper is that it comes with a bonus neck duster from Pro Design. This is a handy tool for cleaning small hairs after finishing. It has soft bristles that gently remove the hair without irritating the skin. It also has an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in my hand. It's a nice touch that adds value to the package. Conclusion: overall, I think the Wahl Professional 5-star Cordless Magic Clip number 8148 is a great clipper for barbers and stylists who want a professional quality tool that is versatile, powerful, and easy to use. It has a lot of features that make it stand out from other clippers, and it also comes with a bonus neck duster that is very useful. I highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a cordless clipper that delivers the sharp performance that experts demand. Number 1. The Andis 01557 Professional Master Adjustable Blade Hair Trimmer, which is a great tool for cutting and styling your hair and beard. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I'm really impressed with its performance and features. Let me tell you why. Used by professionals. First of all, this trimmer is used by professionals in the salon and barber professions, so you know it's high quality and reliable. It has clippers and trimmers with sharpening blades and excellent construction, which means it can handle any hair type and length with ease and precision. High torque. Second, this trimmer has a powerful rotary motor that delivers 14,000 cutting strokes per minute, which is amazing. It has excellent machine drive components that enable professional-grade shaving at home or in the salon, while producing minimal noise and preserving long-term availability. You can use it for hours without worrying about overheating or slowing down. Adjustable blades. Third, this trimmer has adjustable blades that can go from fine to coarse size 0001, depending on your preference and needs. The upper blade features fast feed action and is more durable and stays sharper longer than other blades, providing smooth hair and beard trimming with entire body grooming. You can easily change the blade size with a flick of the thumb lever. Convenient. Fourth, this trimmer is very convenient and easy to use. It has a thumb-controlled button for one hand on/off mode, which is very handy when you're cutting your hair. It also has a contoured housing that fits comfortably in your hand and a hanger loop for easy storage. It comes with a 8-foot cord that gives you plenty of mobility and flexibility. Product details. Finally, let me give you some product details. This professional beard and hair trimmer is 2 by 1.75 by 6 inches, weighs 1.25 pounds, and works on 120V/60 Hz voltage. The trimmer is suitable for the whole family's home use and outdoor travel. It has a sleek silver and chrome design that looks stylish and elegant. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and a user manual. So, that's my review of the Andis 01557 Professional Master Adjustable Blade Hair Trimmer. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you're interested in buying this trimmer, I'll leave a link in the description below.